Here we are working on a 11 GMC with the LML Duramax. The codes, or the code stored is a P0674 for the glow plug control circuit. We had already unplugged the module with the diagram and tested all of the glow plug circuits. They're all good. Plugged it back in, cleared the codes, it comes back immediately. So now we check powers and grounds, and we condemn the glow plug control module. We are going to replace that module, but first, before we replace that, we want to display these flow rates. I like to see these. This is the flow rate, because these are going to have to be copied to the glow plug control module after it gets replaced. And as long as we know what they are, in case something happens where we end up losing those flow rates, we don't have to worry about not having them. So we're going to, when we're done, we're gonna copy the ECM flow rates to the glow plug control module. So our glow plug control module is installed. It's underneath this air box. I'm not going to bore you with the installation. It's a pretty straightforward installation. I've got my battery maintainer hooked up, so we're ready to go. Now that we have the glow plug control module installed, we are ready to start the programming. We need to run Internet Explorer as administrator. Okay, Delco TDS. Log in. Now that we've logged in, we accept the terms, and we already have one available. So we're going to view. We're going to add VIN. Service programming, start SPS. If your Java is out of date, it'll ask you to update that, which you can do. Always run. This here, available version, so you want to install this. If you do not run as administrator, it will not install. It will fail, but it will still go to the next screen where you could continue to program, and if you do that, you will brick the module. Now we want to go to J2534. We're gonna go to reprogram. We've had issues with replace and reprogram, so I'm just gonna go to reprogram. Now I'm going to bring the computer out to the car, and I'm going to complete this task. So I've got my J-box hooked up. We're here. I've already cycled the key. Okay. We're going to hit next. And now we will select GMC. We have a Cardac M. VIN number. Make sure the VIN number is correct. We just verified the VIN number is correct. That's very important.
Okay, there's a field action. Alright, we are going to go to glow plug control module. Normal. VCI is if you wanted to have a special programming done. Sometimes they can write a special programming. Next. Okay, we're gonna do this next. New software. Okay. Next. Completed. Always make sure there's no special instructions. Alright. Turn the key off. Okay. Okay, we waited the 30 seconds. I'm going to turn the key on. I'm going to clear the DTCs. Okay. Okay. Then you can just back out of this, and there's no problem with that.
Now we need to set up the flow rates. We're going to copy the ECM flow rates to the glow plug module. They've been copied successfully. Okay, turn ignition off and disconnect for 2 minutes. Continue. What we'll do is make sure there's no more codes. Display codes. No codes. Okay, so that code for the injector number, the glow plug number 4, came right back immediately upon clearing. So we have no codes. We will. I'm going to disconnect everything and make sure that we run it, take it for a test drive, and everything should be all set. Thanks for watching.